Hello everyone, myself Varun. Today I will be starting with a new session in automation, and we will learn about stale element reference exception that we get while identifying an element. So why do we get this element exception? Let's try to identify. Let's go to our browser, google.com, and we will try to inspect the element on this page. Suppose if you are identifying input with class, and okay, so I have dropped down the code over here, and let's try to execute this piece of code. This will launch the browser, and it will try to identify this web element, and we can see there is an exception known as tail element reference exception. So we get this exception because if this web element has been removed from the browser, or if it is not, if the driver is not able to inspect this web element on the page, or it is taking longer time to load this web element. So that is the reason we are getting this stale element reference exception, and this is very common exception that we get while we are writing and we are identifying, or if we are executing the script. So how we can overcome this exception? So for this, what we need to do is we need to add a try catch block in this end case. So I will write try catch. So within this catch block, I will write stale element reference exception. So when this exception is getting caught over here, it will automatically come to this block and it will execute. So for this exception, I need to import stale element reference exception, and within this again I will try to identify the piece of code that I have already written. This one I will copy and I will paste it over here, and then again I will try to send keys. Okay, and then if you try to execute this, it will automatically come to the try block. It will not find the element and it will come to the catch block and it will execute. Okay, so that's all like for today's session, how to overcome stale element exception, and how do we get this exception. I hope you got this point clear, and we'll catch you in the later session in automation. And please go to my earlier videos, and please do like, subscribe and share with your friends, and let me know for the in your comments that if you want to learn some topics. Okay, thank you.